need to return both a human-friendly summary and structured machine data from your AI tools in a single response. You'll see how ToolResult gives you complete control over tool outputs, combining text content with JSON data while adding execution metadata, all in one clean package. This pattern handles everything from simple status messages to complex multi-format responses. ToolResult. Content equals found 3 users. Structured content users. Name, Alice. Name, Bob. This demonstrates the structured result pattern for tool-based architectures, where functions return both human-readable content and machine-processable data in a single response. The ToolResult object encapsulates this dual output approach, combining traditional content blocks with strongly typed structured data while maintaining clean separation between presentation and processing layers. What makes this distinctive is its ability to satisfy both UI display requirements and programmatic consumption needs through a unified response contract. The pattern works by treating tool responses as composite objects rather than simple return values. Your function logic remains focused on business requirements, while the framework handles content negotiation, automatically converting primitive types, media objects, and complex models into appropriate MCP content blocks and JSON schemas. This declarative approach eliminates manual serialization code, as the type system itself becomes the API contract between tool and consumer. This approach solves the common problem of maintaining parallel human and machine interfaces for the same operation. It's particularly valuable in AI integration, scenarios where you need both a user-friendly summary and structured data for downstream processing. The trade-off is slightly more complex return types, but the benefit is eliminating duplicate endpoints or post-processing steps to extract data from human-readable responses. Let's break it down line by line. ToolResult. This instantiates a ToolResult object, the standardized response format for AI callable tools in FastMCP. It packages both human-readable content and structured data for programmatic use, ensuring consistent output handling across all tools. Content equals found 3 users. This provides a human-readable summary of the operation's result. In FastMCP tools, this string appears in AI model responses and logs, while the structured content carries the machine-readable data. Structured content users. Name, Alice. Name, Bob. This defines structured output for AI consumption. The nested dictionary format ensures machines can programmatically extract the user data, while the freeform content field handles human-readable summaries. This pattern separates presentation from data processing. Closes the ToolResult instantiation. This final parenthesis completes the object construction, ensuring both the unstructured content string and structured data dictionary are properly encapsulated in the result object. Structured tool output pattern. The ToolResult class gives you explicit control over AI model outputs, separating human-readable content from structured data and metadata in a single return value. Omitting either content or structured content will trigger validation errors, even if the other field contains valid data. Always provide at least one content type to ensure your tool remains callable by clients.
The response that speaks to everything must first learn to say nothing.